Good Saturday afternoon, meteorologist Jordan Young here with you with a brief weather update on our winter storm. We see that winter storm warnings have been issued for much of western and central North Carolina. Advisories are there in the purple, and in that really dark kind of purple color, that's the ice storm warnings there in South Carolina. So we are expecting major impacts from this storm. So exactly what's going to happen? Here's kind of the latest thinking from the computer models. This is the NAM computer model, and you can see this evening around 7, 8 o'clock, you're going to be okay. There's not going to be much going on across the Carolinas. Our storm system's still gathering all kinds of moisture out towards the east. Even by midnight, we're just now starting to see a little bit of maybe a few snow showers breaking out across the mountains, but it's really around 4 or 5 o'clock that's when we really get the best surge of moisture and we start seeing the snow showers break out. I really think that the snow showers are going to be roughly right along I-85 in points northward. You're going to be seeing that snowfall. Sleet falling heavily right along the I-85 in points southward. So as we proceed on to 7, 8 o'clock around when the sun comes up, you're going to be seeing all kinds of snowfall across western North Carolina, mainly along and north of I-85, right along Charlotte. That's going to be that sleet and freezing rain mixture. That sleet and freezing rain line even works its way up into the Catawba Valley and even up towards the Triad region as we move around lunchtime. So pretty much everybody outside of the mountains would be experiencing some sleet or freezing rain around this time, and that kind of continues through the evening hours before potentially changing over to a little bit of snow as the system pulls away and the last little bit of moisture moves through in the evening hours. As we move through the overnight hours at midnight, most of the snow is pushed away except for our mountain counties that will see some of that wraparound snow as the upper level low pulls away, and that could continue through the day on Monday with snow showers. So, what are we expecting on accumulation wise? 4 to 8 inches across the Catawba Valley, stretching up towards Wilkesboro, down and towards Rutherford County, up in the mountains, 6 to 12 inches. That's where it's going to remain all snow, Boone, Blowing Rock, on down into Asheville. Higher amounts are even possible along the ridge tops. They could be up to 12 to 18 inches of snow above 4,000 feet. As you get down into the 321 corridor from Hickory up in towards the Winston-Salem area, on down just north of Lincoln, you're looking at around 3 to 6 inches of snow there. And then there's going to be a sharp cutoff. Charlotte, maybe a quick inch of snow before the snow changes over to that sleet and freezing rain mix. It would be a very small amount. As you move down towards Raleigh, maybe a brief little start of snow or sleet, but really the main story there is going to be the ice accumulations. Right now we're expecting anywhere from a quarter to a half an inch of ice in these areas, and that could bring down some trees and power lines, so that there will be some issues with some power outages during this time. So do remain weather aware in those areas and plan accordingly. Any of the areas shaded in green or blue, and outside of that those areas, we're looking around a tenth of an inch of ice, maybe around the Catawba Valley, and in the mountains, not much ice at all, if any, from freezing rain. I'm really expecting it to remain all snow there, maybe a little bit of sleet from time to time, but really mountains should remain all snow for this event. So that's the current thinking. I will have additional updates throughout the day and on our Facebook page, WX Jordan, and I'll also have another video tonight with the latest forecast, kind of break down the timing even better for you guys. So I will keep you updated with everything as it continues to move forward. I'm meteorologist Jordan Young.